Hello everyone, it's Galina. I'm so excited to share with you some stamping tips and how I made this card. As for me, I prefer to stamp and cut all images from the stamp set at once and have some extras for future projects. Also, it helps me to create a variety of new scenes with cute critters. To make this process faster, I cut out all pieces using coordinating dies. Here I'm using honeybee coordinating dies from Studio Katia, and I'm keeping all die cuts as well as negative die cut, which will be a guide for stamping. I put negative die cut into the stamping tool, and now I'm placing all stamps into the die cut gaps. I'm closing the lid of the stamping tool and lift all stamps from the negative die cut. Next, I'm putting all my bees back to the negative die cut. I'm applying black ink on the stamps and press the lid. I repeat the step twice to get nice crisp images. And here they are. In few minutes I get a lot of stamped and die cut images, even the tiniest ones are perfectly stamped. Now I want to quick color my bees. I'm using alcohol-based Copic markers without any specific shading, just basic bee color combo. If you're interested in colors I use for coloring bees, please visit Studio Katia blog. You can find a link in the video description below. After my coloring is done, I add white essence with a gel pen and I covered bees' wings with a shimmer using NUVO shimmer pen. I hope you can see this beautiful shine. For the card background, I decided to use SCALLOP honeycomb covered die. I ran it through my die cutting machine with a white cardstock. And I'm going to add a color to the few small die cuts from this die. To add a color to my small die cuts, I'm using a blender brush from Studio Katia. I'm applying yellow and blue distress inks on the few die cuts. You can cover all die cuts with one color or leave them white. In any way, you will have an amazing card background. I'm applying inks only on the bottom of the die cuts to get nice ombre effect from the darkest color to a white. I foam mount the card panel to a card base and now I'm going to embellish it. Using liquid glue, I'm attaching small die cuts back to the card panel. I decided to have 3 yellow and 3 blue hexagons on my card. And now let's move for the most satisfying process. Because of a brand new pickup tool from Studio Katia, decorating with crystals and sequins became a quick and easy process, without mess and stress for me. At first, I randomly apply a little bit of liquid glue on the card and then I add blue crystals and gold confetti. After I finish it with crystals, I foam mount my bees on the card. I used a sentiment stamps from the same honeybee stamp set. I stamped 2 sentiments with the black ink on the white stripes of the cardstock and I placed them on the top and bottom of my card. And here is my finished card. Hope you like it and don't forget to subscribe. Full supply list you can find below the video. See you soon and have a great day!